Welcome to Ideals Board. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly check and RSVP to upcoming meetings. Once you've logged in, you'll see the dashboard for your workspace. Here, you can view all your upcoming tasks and meetings. You can view meeting details such as date, time, attendance, and quorum status, as well as your own RSVP. Need to confirm your attendance? No problem. Click the drop-down to RSVP. Select your response and the secretary will be automatically notified. From the dashboard, you can also jump straight into the board book and the meeting agenda. You can also check your upcoming meetings in the Meetings section. This is found in the left panel. The Meetings area allows you to view all, active, and bookmarked meetings. The Active tab displays meetings that are still being prepared by the secretary. This allows you to check details even before all materials are finalized. You can see the date of each meeting, the current status of the meeting tasks, preparation of the agenda, board book, and minutes. To navigate through your meetings easily, simply click to switch between the required tab. Bookmarks are a handy way to keep track of key meetings within the list. To bookmark a meeting is really quick and easy. Simply click the bookmark in the top right corner of any meeting you have open, and it appears in your list. And now you know how to navigate your meetings quickly and easily.